Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about CLICKBANK for beginners. And this isn't just another tutorial video, but it's a video about going from learning mode to action mode. I know a lot of you guys are consuming content from me and other YouTubers out there teaching you how to make money online, but still for some reason, for whatever reason, you haven't taken action. And usually it's because of fear. It's also because you feel like no one's gonna listen to you. You feel like you have to be some expert because you're so conditioned to think you have to go to school for 4 to 6 years, get a plaque on the wall, and then you can teach something. When I finally realized that there was somebody out there that knew a little bit less than I did, or a lot less, that I could teach, get to the next level, whether it be in their business, whether it be in sports, whether it be just in personal development, then I would be worth paying for my expertise. And you need to realize, regardless if you've been in your industry and your niche 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, 10 years, you're somebody that is qualified to start being a teacher. You have to realize that your voice needs to be heard. Regardless of what you think, regardless of whether you're telling yourself, I'm not good enough, people won't listen to me, I don't know how to get my message across. I understand, I've been there before. And I was in learning mode constantly for years and years and years. And it was really because, yeah, I wanted to learn a lot. I wanted to be somebody that was an expert. But one of my mentors taught me, Josh, you don't understand something unless you can explain it to somebody else so they can understand it too. And that really resonated with me. That really changed my life, because the only way that I could express whether I knew something or not was to go out there and actually teach it and speak it and do it. So the only way that you're gonna find whether you know what you think you know is to go out there and start doing it. Even if you don't feel like you know a lot about it. When you start speaking, when you start talking on video, you start to learn a lot about yourself, and you start to realize how much you actually know. And by talking specifically for me, I actually get more clarity. Now, you don't need to necessarily script things. This video isn't scripted. I'm just speaking from the heart. I'm just taking something, an idea that I had earlier today. And of course, I got a little bullet point list of what I want to talk about, but I really just take one fresh idea and jump on camera and give people value based off of, you know, what I know and what my experience is. So, you know, people don't remember what you didn't say. So don't be afraid of what other people are going to think of you. Don't be afraid of failing, because judgment is going to be a prerequisite to success. Failure is going to be a prerequisite to success. And I fell many times a day. I fell many times a week. As a matter of fact, this is probably my 3rd or 4th take of this video, because the sound wasn't right. There was a little bit of wind, and there probably is still a little bit of wind. You know, I was shooting a video actually at my parents' house because I've got my in-laws at my house, and the lighting was just off. My connection on my lives weren't the way that I wanted it to be. And things aren't always gonna work out the way that you want them to, but you've gotta be consistent, right? I put out content. I know there's things that I put out that I wish I would have said differently, or I'm like, are people gonna understand this? But I realize it's all about consistency, and it's doing the, you know, consistent actions in an imperfect way that makes the difference. If you're expecting to just jump on camera or put out content or start your business perfectly, you're setting yourself up for failure, because no one is perfect and people will buy from you because of your flaws. So I want you to go out there, start learning something. If you know, you've probably learned something in your niche already. If you don't have a niche, just pick something and realize you're gonna fail. You're probably gonna try a few different niches before you find one that actually works for you. And once you find that niche, start taking action. And when you start taking action, you're going to fail. You're going to feel like you're not good enough. You're going to be like, no one's gonna watch my YouTube video, and that's okay. But guess what? If you keep going in the uncomfortable, you're gonna start getting experience, and then you're gonna start feeling like you're an expert more. But the only way to feel like you're an expert is to feel like you're not, but still take action, right? And that's what's gotten me to where I'm at today. So go out there, make a difference in your affiliate marketing business, take massive action. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comments below what's holding you back from taking that action step to producing content, to actually getting your message out there. Let me know below. And give me a like if you got value from this video, subscribe to the channel, and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch, from A to Z in great detail, click the link below, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.